we do what we call a two-stage procedure. Yung first stage is tanggalin. Yung second stage is, of course, sa pagtanggal, naglalagay tayo ng antibiotic dito sa buto. And pag okay na po, tinatanggal po natin yung antibiotic. So, tanggal yung antibiotic, tapos ibabalik yung hip replacement po sa ating hips. And that is, of course, hopefully the end of the infection. So, yung infection treatment can be varied. Some will go for 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and sometimes patients suffer for more than 6 months po. Depende talaga sa situation. So, thank you for that question. I hope po na you get better, that your infection improves po. Tapos, next question natin, Doc, maa-alarm po ba ako kung sumasakit yung surgery side? If you had a surgery on the right side, it's normal to have a little bit of pain, a little bit of swelling, especially if you are on yung tinatawag na blood thinners or antiplatelet. So it prevents clotting, but it can cause swelling. It can cause sometimes a little bit of bleeding po. So not every patient is the same. But in general, hip replacements can have a little bit of pain, so you don't need to worry. Is also noting how many weeks po kayo after the surgery. If you're about 2-3 weeks, usually the swelling, the pain goes away. Around this time, it also matters what approach was done. Was it from the front? Was it from the sides? Or sa likod po? If a lot of muscles were cut, of course, it'll be a little bit more painful, mas masakit po. Pag konti lang yung tinatanggal na muscle or konti lang yung kinat or sa anterior approach na no muscles were cut, you will have a faster recovery naman po. So shout out po tayo ni Arleth. Hi Ma'am Arleth or Sir Arleth from Negros Oriental and Mr. Tolentino, good morning po. Remember guys, message me where you are from before you ask your questions. Itutuloy po natin yung ating question and answer sa ABN Warriors chat group. Very, very specific questions because these are actual patients, real patients all around the Philippines, and they're asking their questions. We try to answer them, of course, pag may time at gusto natin na masagot para matulungan po yun natin mga ABN Warriors natin. Dok, bakit nagkaroon ng infection ang hip? Well, infection, remember, is rare, but when it happens, pwede kasing may mikrobyo or bacteria na nakapasok sa hip joint, and usually, yun yung cause ng infection. Paano sila nakapasok? It can be through the blood if you have a ongoing infection, no? So, pag may infection kahit sa ngipin or anywhere in the body, or if sa may paa, may tinatawag na infection sa feet or legs, there is what we call a blood na transmission. If may infection anywhere in the body, the blood can bring that bacteria inside yung hip joint and cause yung infection po na kailangan tanggalin yung implant. Yung nangyari po sa inyo is rare, but it does happen. How do we prevent infection? So number one, before any surgery, we do have a clearance na team of internal medicine doctors. We have to have patients who are possibly diabetic or high risk na kailangan natin ipacheck sa ating internal medicine friends para po mag-lessen yung chance of mga complication, and not just infection, heart problems, kidney problems, and some things like infection can be avoided kasi